Hey there, sculpting friends. I just wanted to tell you about one of our favorite projects for this time of year, and it's the Wintertime Toddler. And what I actually begin with is I sculpt a shape like this that's around our wire armature. And you can see it's basically your doll shape. We're all ready to go. And then when you add the clothing on, it's just a matter of gluing it in place. But really you just need a basic body shape, the gloves, and the little boots. And then to sculpt your face when you get around to that part. And then a lot of the cuteness for these dolls just comes from the little bits and pieces of material that we use to make these darling little outfits. Cute little vest with little furry hat, little scarf. I love these little attachments to the hat. And then here's one that just has a different type of hat as well and a different kind of scarf, but you can do so much with just a few bits of fabric and either make them matching or have them look unique from each other. I tend to like the redheads apparently because I make a lot of those, but they just turned out so darling. Anyway, we've got a SculptBox for you that will teach you just how to make these dolls, and it actually comes with your handmade eyes here, as well as the fabrics that you need and the clay involved, etc. So it's a great project. It's simple, very similar to our sugar plum fairy type fairy, except this one is probably a little bit less advanced because a lot of it can just be covered up and the shapes don't have to be as perfect. Whereas, for instance, if this was going to be sugar plum fairy, you'd want the body to look as nice as this one does and to be the right proportions. But when you're putting the clothes on them, you've got a bit of leeway. So I recommend this as an excellent beginner kit to work with, as well as one for advanced folk that just want to make a bunch of these little dolls because they make wonderful gifts. All right, hope that helps and have a great day. Happy sculpting.